How to solve Windows Update error code 0x800705b4 on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is just hit the Windows and R keyboard combination of keyboard on your keyboard and simply search in for Notepad, and from over here just paste this script or code which I provided over here. So it will be provided in the description, the link to it, so you can always get it or download it from there. And once you paste it over your Notepad just like this, as I am doing it right now, so once you paste all of this script over here, just save this file as an bat with a bat extension. So to do that, simply click on this save as, and I will just select it as a desktop directory, and now simply click on this folder name, file name, and just set it as an bat name. So let me just quickly do that as a .file .bat extension, and under the save as type option you can simply click on all files and just click on save, and just like that you have successfully created a bat file over here on your desktop. Now simply right click on it and run it as an administrator, and simply click on yes, and now just hit the any keyboard, press any keyword on your keyboard, and once you do that, try restarting your computer and try restarting your Windows Update feature as well. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.